Okay, Revive It Sisters here. The sun is up. The sun is up. It is a gorgeous day. We were finished up in Haddonfield, and now we're going back to the one we were at yesterday in Maple Shade.
Friday. You were there Friday.
Friday. I was there Friday. You're right.
Oh, yeah, was that yesterday?
That was yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
Today
I
is
lost the
Saturday.
whole day.
You lost the whole day. You lost.
Because I didn't go. That's why.
You didn't go, but you went today.
I went to Second Half Thrift instead.
Oh, you went to Second Hand Thrift. Okay, so we're heading there now to Maple Shade. I'm just going to turn you around here so I don't have to hold it. Whoops, sorry, there you are. There!
Yeah.
Now you can ride along with us.
Mom's in the background.
Mom's in the background.
Revive It Moms along for the ride.
Because we're actually kind of funny in the car, and we say all these funny things. And I always say,
We think we're funny, I guess.
I always say, we should be videotaping. Show people how funny we are.
About the brooches.
So I've been wearing brooches on my sling. So I have this butterfly that I got at the estate sale yesterday.
Nice cartoon.
And then I got this really nice shamrock with that marble, which is going to escape my thought. Calamari. No, not
You got some squid.
Oh my God! I am sorry to every single Irish person that I just called this marble a squid. Anyway, I have my little shamrock.
Try again. Go
No, I'm not gonna say it.
Try again.
It's like car.
Carrera?
No, it's not Carrera. It's like car. It's a
It's
marble.
a marble. All right.
It's the famous marble in Ireland, and I'm so sorry because we are Irish, and I can't say the word. And I can hear the QVC people saying it because I always watch QVC on St. Patrick's Day, and I always want one of those with the marble in it. And I found this at the estate sale, at AJ's estate sale, the New Beginnings estate sale. And I was super excited that I got it. So I have it on my sling here, and then I have the butterfly. And Shane said I should wear all my brooches on my sling as a badge.
Like a Girl Scout.
Like a Girl Scout.
You should start getting a brooch from every estate sale we go to. And then you can be like, and this brooch is from this estate sale, and this brooch is from this estate sale.
I'm almost like that. I have one more.
Where am I going?
Where are we going?
Go that way.
Where that red car?
And
Wait, where are we going?
then you'll have a whole entire sling full of all your estate sales, and you'll be like, this one was from this one, and this one was
I know.
from this one.
Wouldn't that be like a badge of honor?
And then you'd have your little police badge. Just got a brooch, and it looks like a police badge.
But it is a Celtic. It's a Celtic brooch.
It is a Celtic brooch, but it
And
looks.
it's
She
got
wears it.
It's
She
got
looks like-
acorns.
She wears it, and she looks like she's a police officer.
I am the
Thrifty police.
I am the sheriff. The thrifty police.
Oh,
I am the sheriff of estate sales.
oh my goodness. Oh gosh, too early. We got up way too early.
We've been up quite early. We left the house at 6 o'clock. It's now 8:30 something. 8:36. Yeah, 8:36. So we've been up quite early, and we waited out in the cold for a good 30 minutes.
It wasn't too cold, like temperature-wise, but it was a little windy and damp.
Yeah, the wind was cold, and I really think they should go. That everyone should just do the names or the numbers to make people to wait out. I mean, it's still February. No, it's March.
It's March. Well, it's everybody
March.
has their own way of doing things.
I guess
we
so.
Just need to green light. We just need to accept it.
Yes. I guess so. We will accept it, but we can complain.
Complain.
We'll complain about
In
it.
600 feet, turn right onto East Laurelton
I said,
Avenue.
Where are we? We're in,
Yeah, this is not.
we're in.
You know what? It's not Wood Lane Ave. It's Wood Lane Drive. This is the wrong. This is.
Then turn left onto East Woodlawn Avenue.
This is like when we went to Philadelphia and you put the wrong address in and we ended up
I
in
didn't
like
put
a,
this address.
I
in.
know you didn't. I know, but the last time you did. So we're going to Lincoln Ave.
It's not Lincoln Ave though.
What is it?
It's Lincoln. No. Hold on. Time out.
All right, I'm timing.
No, it is on Lincoln Ave.
I told you. You were looking at the Wood Lane. That's where we came from. We're going the right place.
Oh, we're going the right place. All right.
And you stopped
Turn
and
right onto
everything.
East Laurelton Avenue. Then turn left onto East Woodlawn Avenue.
All right.
All right. This doesn't just. It just seems like we're supposed to be on the other. Well, no, that's right. We did go across Route 130, right, Mom?
Yeah.
We did go across. I am so.
Oh,
I'm on the
goodness.
other side of the tracks, over here, and
She's all confused.
I'm thinking it's closer to the
Turn left
town.
onto East Woodlawn Avenue.
You need to get back on your bus.
I do need to get
You've
back
been,
on my
You've
bus.
been off the bus for too long. You don't know where you're going anymore.
I know. This is. So
you know what?
I'm
It-
completely like
Turned around.
turned around over here.
But sometimes we'll be driving
Turn
places,
left onto Lincoln Avenue.
and if it's on on a road that she normally goes on her bus route, we'll start going that way instead of making she's supposed to make a left, and she'll just continue on her bus route. And she's like, I'm driving my bus route.
I'm on my bus route.
Ugh.
It's very hard to distinguish sometimes.
That white van is, that's for the house, I think.
No, that's not
That's
the,
electric. That's an electrical van.
That's an electrical van. Now, okay, all right, we're coming from the back. All right,
Come from the back end
the back end. It's actually this White House up here.
on the other road.
Onto Lincoln
Yeah.
Avenue. Then your destination will be on the left.
So it's this house.
Okay.
So you can park
Let's see.
in front and see.
Okay.
if they would need it. So this is back at The Perfect Sale.
This one right here.
Yes.
Okay. Nobody's waiting.
Your destination
one's
is on the left.
waiting.
Unless they're all in their cars here.
It could be.
It doesn't open yet?
It opens at 9.
Are they doing numbers?
I don't know. You want to get out and check? Or you want me to go out and check?
You're the checker.
I'm the checker.
You're the number. You're the number checker.
All right, I'll go. I'll be right back.
All right. I'm a talker. She is. She makes friends everywhere.
Turn off the video.
I don't know how to. I'll try. You know what she needs? Her little clicker.